Hello amazing person, welcome and welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time here, this is Ajuri style. If it is not, you're welcome back to the channel. So see, I'm going to be sharing something really important in this video. See, this is what distinguishes you as a small creator from the big YouTubers. These are habits, okay, that will make your growing on YouTube very easy and really fast. Growing in terms of building your watch hours, in terms of building your subscriber, like you need to start practicing these 5 habits I'll be sharing in this video. The first habit you should adopt, okay, as a small creator that wants to grow fast and pretty easy on YouTube is produce more content than you consume. Yes. So as a creator on YouTube, you should be more focused on creating or producing lots of videos than how much videos you actually consume on YouTube. Please do not get me wrong. I did not say consuming videos are wrong, but the way you're consuming the video might be wrong. What I mean is, as a creator, okay, you have to consume content strategically and tactically. The content you're consuming should be something that will be helpful to your own content creation on YouTube. I'm going to use myself as an example in this case, okay? Like, since I became consistent on YouTube, like, I consume creators videos more than entertaining videos. Now, these creators videos that I'm consuming, I am learning from them. They are my competitors, okay? I am seeing what they are doing, I'm seeing how they are doing it, and I'm trying to draw inspiration. I'm trying to learn from how they are creating content that are working for them, and I'm going to see how I will strategically implement that as well on my channel to grow my channel. So when I'm watching their videos, I'm watching to learn, okay? I'm watching those videos to learn. But trust me, there are some creators on YouTube that they barely watch any helpful videos. They are watching more of entertaining videos that will not add anything to their channel. See, if you're practicing this as a creator, you better stop the habit, because we're entering into a new year and you don't need to enter with that habit. Learn to start producing more content, more valuable content than you actually consume on YouTube. The second habit that big creators are cultivating that we as small or growing creators are not is idea harvest. So as growing creators on YouTube, one thing that will help you to grow very fast is how you generate your content ideas. It is known as the idea harvesting. Yes, we know the popular way of getting content ideas, right? Looking at for content in our niches, people that are doing better than us in our niches, and drawing inspiration from them. But trust me, I'm here to tell you that you should not be limited to getting content ideas only from YouTube. You can as well generate amazing content ideas from outside of YouTube. These are like blogs, other social media platform, even Google. Yes, you can go and type some certain keywords in these places like that I mentioned, okay, and you're going to see like a different side of what your niche is about, what blogs are saying about that topic, what blogs are saying about that keyword or the topic you want to create a video around. What are blogs saying? What is Google saying? You can do research on that topic and generate new and fresh ideas that you bring on YouTube. When more people are creating or recreating videos from a creator, see, when you open your news feed, what you're just going to see is like similar content. See, I am not an exception when it comes to this, but I'm also here to tell you that there are ways we can also generate our content ideas outside of YouTube. I've started to implement that on my channel, and trust me, it's amazing. So the third habit, okay, that distinguishes you from big creators, or what big creators are doing that we're not doing as growing creators, is building a network. See, there is nothing as strong as having a network of like minds, people who share experiences, people who share ideas, people who share their thoughts about a particular thing. Like, these are like your fellow YouTubers or creators in your niche. It mustn't even be on YouTube. That connection or networking must not be on YouTube. It can be outside of YouTube. Like, I have creators that I reach out to when I face some challenges on YouTube, and I'm like, hey, see what's going on, what can I do, what can I do? And they proffer solution, they share their experience, they tell me tips I can use on my channel. Like, these are things that are working. As well, there are so many times when they have also reached out to me, okay, in times of their need, and I've also been of help to them. So this is what we call networking. When you build a network of like minds, it's very easier for you to resolve some issues. It's very easier for you to grow together, for you to know what's happening, be updated, and know how the content creation is going and all of that. So right now, drop in the comment section, what is your channel about? What is your niche about? You might find somebody in your niche and you might connect with them. So right now, drop a comment and tell me what your niche and channel is about in the comment section. So the fourth habit you need to develop as a small creator that wants to grow and get to the top on YouTube is your audience engagement. Like sometimes I come across some creators video and maybe I go to the comment section, I even want to drop a question or make a comment, but I see that there are lots and lots of comments that has no reply, not even a like, not even a love. Like, how do you connect with your audience? People drop questions and they come back and be like, you haven't replied me, why are you not replying me? That is not, it doesn't make sense if you want to grow on YouTube. I know there's a point we are going to grow to, okay, that you're going to have lots and lots and lots of comments that you can't reply to each and every one of them. But now that you're still growing, why do you have lots of messages in your comment section unread, unreplied? If you want to grow on YouTube, you have to develop this habit of whenever a comment pops up, because YouTube will always notify you when there's a new comment. If you're not busy, you can immediately, okay, reply to that comment. If you're doing like that, okay, it makes it easier for you to reach out to all the comments and reply them than when you come and you have like lots and lots of comments that you can't just start replying all of them at the same time. So you also need to be concerned about them. How are they doing? Know how they are doing. Know if they're enjoying your content. Know what content you can improve on. Like, these feedbacks you're getting from them will help you to improve on the kind of content you create. Remember, you're not the only one that will be watching your content. These people that are watching your videos, so you need to connect with them. You need to bond with them as well. Now, I'm just going to practice this in this video, okay? Drop in the comment section, my amazing viewers, like, what video do you want to see next on my channel? And I promise to make a video on each and every of those topics, as long as it's something relating to my niche. See, drop now in the comment section, because I care about you guys and I want to keep you coming back to watch my videos. Let me know, what video do you want to see next on my channel? Like, it might even be your video, so drop right now in the comment section. Now, the fifth habit you need to develop if you want to grow on YouTube, or the fifth habit that the big creators are developing or already cultivating that we are not, is constant improvements. Oh yes, see, your videos cannot be perfect, let's just be honest, but you can always make your next video better than the previous one. You can always improve on the quality of your content. Now, you might ask yourself this question now: how do I improve on my content? See, I'm going to use myself as an example. See, I go back to watch my videos. It might not be like immediately, but some days later, it might take 3 to 4 days. I go back to my video and I watch from the beginning to the end. I'm not watching because I just want to see myself talk, but I want to watch with the eye, because at that point my mindset is now fresh, okay? I am now watching with a new eye, like a new viewer, and I try to point out some mistakes I made. Like, if you see me when I'm talking about this in my room, you might bust out laughing, because I'm like, Ajuri, was this necessary? I say that to myself. Like, I even say it out aloud, and I'm like, is this part even necessary? Was I even supposed to say this? Now, I take a pen, I have my content book, and I jot down those mistakes or those things that I think is not really necessary in my video. I jot them down. Now, when I want to film my next content, I go through that mistakes that I wrote down and I look at them again, and I make sure and I try to avoid repeating that same mistake or repeating that same thing in my new video. It might not be perfect, but trust me, that is how improvement works. That is how you improve on your content, by trying to take out those mistakes, those things that you know, if you don't like it on your video, trust me, someone else will not, because you should be your #1 critic. You should know when you're doing something wrong and when you're doing something right. Now, you're not just going to do all of this in one video and you stop. Remember that growth, okay, is a constant thing. Like, it's a continuous thing. So you have to continuously improve on your content. As you're progressing on YouTube, be doing this. It should be your habit. Like, it should be something that you can't even do without. With time now, it becomes grounded in you that you can't do without these things. You have to make sure they are in place. This is how growth takes place. You have to make sure that you're developing these 5 habits that I mentioned in this video. Make sure you're improving on them. Like, it's not going to be easy, trust me, but gradually, you're going to make it your habit. I hope you learned just one thing in today's video. If you did, drop it in the comment section what it is. And thank you so much for watching up to this point. Click on the video you're seeing on your screen and watch how you can build your subscribers. Now, thank you so much for watching. Like this video, subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos like this coming your way, and I'm going to see you in that video. Now, click and let's go.